Japanese Oden as we know it today only really come to form in the late 1800s as restaurants and street vendors began serving the dish. The name was also shortened from Dengaku to Den, adding the honorific O, becoming the Oden, what is now sold in all over Japan. The first form of Oden was grilled tofu served with miso paste. Koreans also like Oden as well, and it is still very popular and sold in street stands in many markets. In Taiwan and China, they serve Oden in their hot pot, and sometimes Chinese call them as shabu shabu. No matter how people call this food, Oden to my mind is the easiest dish I can make. Just boil hot water, put chicken cube, shoyu and sugar to make the broth. Then you put boiled radish daikon, potatoes, and egg. And then you add the fish cake and heat up to boil and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. That's all you have to do and food is ready to be served. We kind of oversimplify to cook our Oden so that anybody can get these ingredients easily and still enjoy Oden just like you eat in Japan. I believe you do not necessarily have to follow the authentic traditional way to cook Oden at your home. After all, this is what home cooking is all about. Bon appetit! Itadakimasu! Masarap! It's so good! Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell button down below. See you next time.